On this channel you'll find hints and tips and tutorials about gardening and homesteading. And I share my story of how I went from bedbound and needing walking sticks to help me move around to creating this garden. I'll show you not only how I grow an abundance of food, but how I harvest it and how I store it and then how I cook it. An emphasis on recycling and reusing materials, and I show you as I learn and from my mistakes how to create things using pallets and recycled wood. And because life isn't all sunshine and roses, I share the tough times too. If I don't smile, I'm gonna cry. So I talk about health issues and I talk about how I try and deal with them. I'm Liz Zorab and this is Byther Farm. That didn't quite work.